Bia Kamal, ka Nuer online TV channel, bana rwache katin kona lat karodian are wacha ka South Sudan, Kenyam gore jano beja kwen ya ka talk English. The reconstituted Joint Monitoring and Evaluation Commission (RJMEC) announced on Sunday the appointment of Ambassador Major General or retired George Agrey Owino as the new interim chairperson of the commission. The reconstituted Joint Monitoring and Evaluation Commission was established under the 2018 peace agreement to oversee and monitor the implementation of the accord in South Sudan. In a statement issued, it was confirmed that Ambassador was nominated by the government of Kenya and later endorsed by the East African Regional Bloc (IGAD). He succeeded Ambassador Major General Charles Tai Gitwa, who had held the position since August 2020. Ambassador Owino brings a distinguished military and diplomatic background spanning over 4 decades with extensive service in various security and diplomatic missions across Africa. His recent role include serving as a Kenyan High Commissioner to Uganda on year 2020 to 2022 and as a Deputy Force Commander for the African Union Mission in Somalia for the year 2019 to 2020. His appointment comes at a critical time, just 2 weeks before the start of South Sudanese extended transitional period. As part of the revitalized peace agreement, several crucial tasks must be addressed to prepare for the country election, scheduled for December 2026. These tasks include finalizing the constitution and electoral framework and establishing security conditions necessary for the vote. Since gaining independence in 2011, South Sudan has never held a general election. Elections were initially scheduled for December 2024, but were postponed for 2026 due to concern about the country's readiness. The 2018 peace agreement signed by President Salva Kiir and his former rival, Deputy Riek Machar, ended a devastating 5-year civil war that claimed an estimated 400,000 lives, caused widespread famine, and displaced millions. South Sudan is currently facing an economic crisis, with civil servants going unpaid for more than a year. This crisis has been exacerbated by disruption in oil export due to damage pipeline amid the ongoing war in neighboring Sudan, through which South Sudan export its oil. Shigame shialen gwada me wuda me jara madana cha kwan ka kui nenden content ba mal ba jagwich. Chala Ambassador Major General Ramichi retired keja tok chala George Agrey Owino alajen aramkel me cha kwan ni ka gwase dan alajen chelet gwana tongwan timan chialeng jen chelet ke Somalia anyok chelet winde ko kien ko jen aramkel michile de long alon tama eno bala let ala ramadana bia reconstituted joint monitoring and evaluation commission ray wika South Sudan waka let ketin kon chelat ka michal ke reconstituted joint monitoring keni de kon wi kamal ray wika South Sudan wana ma kwaje lat ketu ni tin ngai kon ronkin dang rol badag jen gwade dane kwa mal kwa jel tankaje kam dagru machar ken kema yadit ko gorga jano de mal der tan charame dane chiten ke mirame dane cha kwany ne ke 2020 wun mishale Charles Tai Gatwai chaje chu wojan tama alo jen gudu me cha kulat goste mako bele dialati bakalat and wudu me point jen wacha let la high commissioner ka Uganda ka Kenya ka Kenya kai commissioner ka Uganda ka ronkin dangro jendangro ko ronkin dangro jendang ronkin dangro widi jendangro wo ronkin dangro jendangro widi do jen chelet la deputy force commander ka Africa Union Mission ka Somalia ka ronkin dangro wal bangwana wo ko ronkin dangro jendangro wa kwenye kwanga jema wa kwanga je ka kor ko me chalingono ki kana no ka kwi mental ga transitional period ko ba transitional period do ba dan dong de nawo kama donga ja ki wona re mal kama din ko en South Sudan tam right ko ne tega transitional period ko kana no ka kumun gorka shi ga democratic government dan ko al gorno de lalet ngode longo natin te ka galgalan gwada mo amene mish dong shi kana lat don rama chal kwanyan tama jin wudo me jaram dan bir dial bugri alaka ka kwi mal ka me cha tayne wal ke 2018 man rian gwazman cha ala long ala point kum so Sudan kan election ke queen gwin kan lana wal ne ka ron kin dang wal ron kin dang rawil wal kel ni me kwa independent kwa jek kan mente ke queen gwin ano la queen gwin mi cha wala ke je la ja yot ke jok shi medan cha de lat ke ron kin dang ro jin dang ro wan ala chanka wero pai wero ron kin dang ro jin dang ro wan cha nyo ko mu yot je jok cha yot ron kin dang ro jin dang ro bakel ko gwe jano en South Sudan ngode chete ka mal ka jen gwasa mo ko kujimo ba ji yot jok ko do bran ci kan lat keje na me jana na go de nyoka yekel la reconstituted joint monitoring and evaluation commission jaram dan cha kwan na me mala kuäär entama cha wude roaje ne wal cha je wuch na jen mala kuäär ne de content bu mal bi je guic la mal le cha tani ko kin dang raw wi wal badek ana me janda na go de nyoka yekel na biata mal bye bye